Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. In this video, we will see the different types of locators in Selenium. So locators are used to identify or locate the element in web page like button, text field or any link or anything displayed on web page. So with the help of locators, we can find it. So automation testing tool uses the locators to interact with the specific elements in web page. So now we are on the selenium.dev official website for the Selenium on that page. So here you can see the different types of locators. So basically there are 8 locators like class name, CSS selector, ID, name, link test, partial link test, tag name and the XPath. So, with the help of these 8 traditional locators, our uh, we can find or locate our elements on the web page. So, we are going to learn about this locator in details. So, let's start. So we have created one Maven project, that is demo automation. In that project, we have created one package, demo package, and in that package, we have one class named as locators. So as well as we have the pom.xml file, and in that file we have added the Selenium dependencies. So in previous video, we have learned how to create the Maven project, then how to add the Selenium dependencies. So if you don't know how to do this, please watch my previous video. A link is given in description. So let's start. So first we have to create object for the WebDriver to launch or to access the WebDriver. So let's do WebDriver driver. Then the second part is we have to access the WebDriver from that location. We have placed the our WebDriver. So the method is system dot set property. So this method has 2 attributes. One is property name and second one is the value. So in the property name, we are going to write as WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. So here we are going to use the Chrome driver. So that's why we have right here the Chrome driver. If we are going to use the Firefox driver, then in that case you can use the Gecko driver here. And the second attribute, we have to give the path of our driver. So I have installed the Chrome driver. If you don't have the Chrome driver in your system, you have to install it. So whenever you are giving the path, you have to give .ext extension. So you can see I have given .exe extension and then just give semicolon. Now we have to open one website. So for that we are going to use the driver dot get URL. So here we are going to give the URL. So I am going to automate this website. So I'm giving this URL. So just copy it and paste it here. If you want this URL, I have given in description. You can take from that. This is the website, demo website for the automation testing. So let's save. So before that, we have to access our Chrome driver. So we have to create object for the same, or with the help of this driver, we are going to access our driver. So for that, write code as driver equals to new Chrome driver. So first we have create object for the driver, then we are going to access our Chrome driver from this location. Then we have create access the Chrome driver with the help of object of WebDriver. And the last one is we are going to access this method. We are getting one error here. So here we are to use Chrome driver. So whenever you are writing a WebDriver or you are going to get the Chrome driver, we have to import these two package. You can get it automatically. So this is, let's run this code first. Then we are going to part of this locator. So you can see our browser is open and that website is also open. So now we are going to click on this web element, that is what's new. So let's write code for that. So the first locator we are going to find with the XPath. So to write the code, write driver. So driver is the object of the WebDriver. So driver dot find by. So here we are going to use the find by method to find the web element. So find by dot, here we can get the number of list of locators which we have. So here first of all we are going to use the XPath. So I am selecting the XPath. So now here we have to give the XPath. So how to find that path? So first go to your website, then select the element for which we have to find the XPath. Then so I am going to find for the what's new. Then right click on that element, then click on inspect. So you can see whenever you are inspecting one of the element, it gets highlighted here. So what's new is element which we are going to use. Now then right click on that highlighted part and go to copy. So here you can get the number of selectors or locators which we have. So we are first using the XPath. So we are going to click on copy XPath. Now go to your code and just paste that XPath in double quotes. And now save your save your file or save your code. Now let's run the program and let's see if we are going on the this what's new page or not. So let's run it. So you can see our browser is open. We are getting error here. So getting error as a no such locator find. So let's do one thing. Just again right click, inspect. Now click on what's new. Then click on here. Then copy as full XPath. So let's try with full XPath. Just remove the previous XPath and copy new one. And one more thing we have to do here is we have to click on that what's new link or button. So we have to give method as click. So we have write the driver by find by XPath. We have given the full XPath and we are going to click on that what's new button. So let's save and run it again. Let's see what's happened. So you can see our browser is open. So we have navigated to the this website. Let's wait. Let's see it is clicking on what's new or not. So you can see we have uh, navigated to the what's new page. So in this way you can use the XPath locator